think you can do it. You getting dizzy? Wow. All right, someone named, let's do Mark. Mark. How'd you set up number 1? Perfect. Raise your hand if you set it up like Mark. Now wave your hand in the air if you just don't care. Hey. All right. Equals 10x. Cool. So what is 14 times 15?
15.
That is not correct.
Earlier, we were all talking about your restaurant. I think you took your mask out, but the woman that literally just had COVID-19, she just she wanted us.
She didn't have it. She tested.
She was exposed. Yeah, she got exposed.
I haven't seen her in 2 weeks. And she's been home. I'll talk to her. So what do we just find? Right, part of the segment. Bloop. Look at that teeny tiny 21. Oh, teeny. Oh no. Oh gosh, number 2. What are we going to do?
Nothing. We're going to give up. You're a coward.
Okay. So, Megan, since she already has the answer, let's see how she set it up. Go. Megan, I thought you were going to answer it.
Oh,
How? You got to tell us how you set it up.
4 times 5x minus 1 equals 6 squared.
6 times 6 is 36.
And
All right.
then what I did was I distributed that to
Okay.
but you can also divide.
Yes, you can. I'm going to divide it because I'd rather do that because I like myself. Now, if you distributed, you will get the same answer. Okay, I don't know. If I don't have to distribute, I just don't.
13. X equals 2, but the answer is 13.
Okay, so now divide by 5. X equals dos. All right, am I done? Why? You gotta plug it in. Okay, so 5 times 2 is 10. Minus 1 is 9. So then you gotta add them together. BD equals 13. Ooh, the next one we've got 2. Let's not do that one.
Why not? I'm in the middle of doing it.
I know it's easy.
I'm already in the middle of doing it.
Okay, fine. Do it. All right, do number 3. Work on it. You can do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
I'm going. Okay. Because it's easy. Figure it out.
Exactly.
Why do you want us to use our brains, Megan? Why aren't you failing? Is a good question.
Actually, I have.
Well, I have an A plus in here. I do. Yes.
So 5 times x is 1.
I bet I do. Yeah, the lower the grades, the better. I agree. Exactly. I'm not doing
We doing number 3.
Alright, hold on.
Miss Higgins, what number are we doing?
Number 3.
Good.
Looks like how you set it up.
You said a 91 is not good. How was that easy?
I shaved my head for 91 minutes. Never mind. I shaved your head for 91 minutes.
But I did, please. Why don't you have that one done? Why are you doing that? You don't know how to do it because you didn't write the thingy down. Palmer, you gotta pay attention.
When will you, the extra credit? Did I do it?
I don't know. I'm in grade hell. So.
Okay.
The grade, your test?
Yeah, the test.
Your module 6?
Yeah.
Then that means you didn't turn in a,
Dang it, I
I think I put it in.
work.
I think I submitted it. No,
I think I may have sent it.
But if you didn't do your work, I don't have it.
think I got
If I didn't get your work, I did. You gotta tell me.
Yeah, I got some type of decimal for that.
Sure you don't want to show me your answers, right?
Okay, I haven't gone through those yet. Yeah, yeah.
What's 24 times 7? Let's say good.
Your mom.
Paper.
Okay. All right. All right. West. Did you set up number 3?
East. What's the answer?
All right. What'd you set it up for? How'd you do it? Okay. Go ahead. Yes, yes, yes. Woo! All right, is that how you set it up? Raise your hand.
Totally.
No, wave it in the air like you just don't care. Hey-oh. Hey-oh. All right, let's go ahead and move along. Okay, this is where we have the outside times the whole equals the outside times the whole. Okay, so let's look over here. What's the outside for the left segment? What's the outside of this segment? Okay, what's the whole thing? 9 plus x, we're not multiplying. You add. All right, other one. 8 times 8 plus 19. All right. Right, because it's the outside times the whole thing. I just wrote it down. Oh, I figured that you could solve it. Alright, so 9 times 9 and plus 9x. And then 8, go ahead and simplify. Don't distribute, that's silly, because you can add those together. Here, because it's just easier to add it. Yeah. So that's 27 times 8 gives me 216. Minus 81 from both sides. Divide by 9, 15. Alright, I want you to try number 6. Try number 6. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it.
I was on number 4.
Did I do it like this?
Here we go.
Well, you can't solve it right now. You gotta set this equal to that.
13 times x and 13x.
Is there a difference between one on the opposite and the next?
Alright, Holden. Alright, Holden's gonna tell us how we set it up. Here we go. Class. Let's listen to Holden.
10 times 10 plus 42 equals 13 times 13%.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, let's give him a round of applause. Yeah. You know what? We didn't give a round of applause for Wes earlier. He deserves one too. Yeah. All right. Okay, 520 equals 169 plus 13x. Subtract that over. What do I get? 351. Am I dyslexic? Maybe. Okay. Divide by 13. Okay. Now I gotta plug, so x is 27. So then NL is 27 plus 13, which is 40. 40. Yeah.
This package homework, bro? Oh my gosh, thank you.
Wait, this is
No.
homework?
This is gonna be the easiest homework ever.
No.
But it's like based on making
Is this homework?
What?
Spanish.
Alright, here, spell it on this board. I don't know what you're saying to me. Okay. Alright. You can do this. Ooh! Let's listen, or let's look at number. Thank you.
I think it might, I don't know. It might cost money to make.
Okay. Alright, let's look at number 13. Let's look at 13. Let's look at it. Alright. 12 times what? Up here. Up here. 12 times what? 10. Alright. Then the other two sections are multiplied together. What are we going to have? We're going to have factoring. Yes. Number 13 on the back of that page. Look. You flip it. 13. Yeah. So I got x squared plus 6x. Perfect.
That'll be x squared plus 5x minus 6.
Yes. Okay, I've got to get this equal to 0. So what do I need to do? Subtract 120. I got negative. Yes. All right, so I'm going to turn my paper sideways. You ready?
No, what is that little circle thing?
0.
Wait, is that 120?
It's 0. Okay. Okay, Landon.
Hey, how is this supposed to work? Nothing that 5 and 1.
Can y'all just chill for half a second?
No.
All right, so I need two numbers that multiply to negative 126 and add to 5.
3 and 2.
Listen, when you have a negative number that you multiply to, that means one of the numbers is negative. So that means that the numbers are 5 apart.
Oh, you can do anything. Oh, 126.
Let's see, what are the factors of 126?
You can figure that out.
Let's see. Let's try divided by 3, see what we get. Okay, no.
Figure that out so fast.
Big brain.
What'd you do?
7 and 8.
Oh. So divided by 7. Okay. 9 and 14. All right. Listen. Some of you are bad at factoring, so you need to pay attention. All right. Guys, seriously. All right, so I just checked random numbers, okay? I didn't really know all the factors of 126, right? All I did was I just tried random numbers, and I got to a pair that was 5 apart. That's not 5 apart. Yes, it is. JK. The 9 plus 5 gives me 14, right? So that means they're 5 apart. So I'm going to use 9 and 14. But one of them has to be negative because I have a negative 126. So which one will it be? Negative 9. Okay? Because this is a negative, when you can only get, when you multiply two numbers, a negative and a negative makes a positive. A positive and positive makes a positive. So if you have a negative one, that means one is negative and one is positive. So then that means that since you're basically finding the difference, since one is negative and one's positive, that means that the addition, that means that that's how far apart they are. And that's just a trick. Does not mean that that's what you should do, but that's how I think about it every time if I have a negative number.
How do you know which one would be your, oh, I think your answer would you just choose.
Which one's negative?
No, for like the overall thing. Would you have to choose one? Because it says
We'll look. Just hold on. All right, are we all paying attention? Because I still feel like some of us are not. Look it. Are you paying attention? You're the one. You always have trouble with this, so pay attention. Okay. Well then, I'm going on without you. All right. So if you have trouble, sucks. All right. Here we go. So I know it's negative 9 and 14, so make sure that works for you. So negative 9 times 14, that gives me negative 126. Perfect, but check the other one. Negative 9 plus 14. Does that give me positive 5? Yes. All right, so those are my numbers. I put them straight into my binomials. So x minus 9 times x plus 14. Okay, now what do I do? Set them equal to 0. So x minus 9 equals 0. X plus 14 equals 0. Add 9 to both sides. Subtract 14. All right. If I plug in negative 14 here, I'm going to get a negative length, right? So it's 9. Okay. Rest of class. This page is homework. You have,
This side that says no.
yeah, the one that says, okay.
If you do all of them, you get extra.
Alright.
I didn't even say. So hold on, we've got. All right. The last page. I'm thinking. Start working on number 1, and I'll think if I want all of it or odds.
Do we do the front and back? Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone's page is long and long.
Because it's 11, what, 15? So you have 30 minutes. Yeah, we're going to do all of them.
Good.
You have 30 minutes. You can, like, essentially get this done or almost done. If you get it done within the class period, I'll give you extra credit.
40 points.
Look at you go. I told you today would be short. Of course. All right, Palmer, do you have all the, you have them now? Okay. You can't be doing that. You can't be zoning out. Circles is not the time to do that. All right, let me call Miss Kohler real quick. I have to ask you something.
Anyone done number 2 yet?
Yeah.
What did you get?
What?
So did you distribute 12 to 3?
And to
5? And then you get 36x. 6 payroll maybe.
Megan, you get 26 number 2.
Oh, no, you add 6, yeah.
Oh, I didn't hear you that. That's signature so weird.
Why are you so mean?
You gotta listen whenever people are doing these games.
I don't know.
Oh my god, my friend's pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Say congratulations.
Yeah, that's a
Babies
good
make me
start.
nervous.
That's a good start.
Yeah, I'm pregnant.
Why does that make you nervous?
I try to act happy when people are pregnant, but I'm just like,
Why are you nervous?
She's babies.
What?
then wouldn't I be excited? Because then I'll be like, I like your baby.
No, because you like her. You don't want to eat her baby.
Oh, okay, there's my predicament. I see what you're saying.
Gave yours? I mean, okay. Chase over.
Miss Kohler is not answering me.
Wait,
She
she's
doesn't
not
want to eat her
pregnant?
baby.
No, she's not pregnant. Oh my god, no. This is my friend in Memphis. What do you know? I'm just kidding. I had a smile. I had like a smile on, but you couldn't tell.
No, she did.
I know. What do you need?
What's total size?
Oh my god.
60? Is that right?
You have a
I'm not even
literal
gonna tell you.
computer.
You should know that.
I knew it was 60.
Okay,
They're not
I'm trying to help Blake like.
Megan.
Not everybody's brains fully developed.
Yeah, I suffer from fetal alcohol.